Let's talk about probability. We're going to use dice and flipping a coin. So probability answers the question, will something happen? If we come up with a probability of 0, that means it will not happen. Probability of 1 means it absolutely will happen. 0.5 means maybe, equally will or won't happen. 0.25 means it's not likely but could happen. And 0.75 means it's likely but it might not happen. We want to find the probability of a specific event. To do that, we take the number of chances of the event we want and divide by the total possible events. What does that mean? Well, let's look at an example. I want to roll an even number on this dice. When I roll the dice, here are all the possible events that could happen. I've circled the ones that are even, rolling a 2, 4, or 6. So there are 3 chances of getting an even number and 6 total chances. So 3 divided by 6 is 0.5. This means it is just as likely that I roll an even number as an odd number. Now let's look at compound events. A compound event means that more than one event is happening. For example, I could say I want to roll a 6 and flip a yellow on my coin. First, I have to roll my dice, and I have 6 possible outcomes. Then I'm going to flip the coin, which there are 2 possible outcomes for each one of those. What I have drawn here is a tree diagram, and it is a way of listing out all possible events. Only one of these events is what I want, rolling a 6 and flipping a yellow coin. Since only one of the events is what I want, and there are 12 total events, I am going to do 1 divided by 12. This equals 0.083, which means it's not very likely that it will happen. Let's look at another compound event that only uses the coin. This time I'm going to flip the coin 2 times, and I want to get yellow both times. The first time I flip the coin, I could get yellow or red. I flip it again, and I could again get either yellow or red. I've circled the event that has getting yellow 2 times. There are 4 possible things that could happen, and I only want 1. So 1 divided by 4 gets me 0.25.